Lord Xerus, Lord Xerus, Lord Xerus, Lord Xerus.
Hello, my good gentles. I'm Lord Xerus. Welcome to my castle. It's past my bedtime, but I'm out of bed in my bedclothes here because Lady Saystine wanted to show me something.
You sleep too much anyway.
Let's see what she has to say, shall we? What do you got for us today?
Look what came in!
It's a box full of crickets.
No, it's from WETA Workshop.
WETA, and they make WETA things.
WETA in New Zealand, they make Lord of the Rings things. And look what I got!
Oh.
Minas Morgul!
Oh, wow, Minas Morgul. But one question. Don't you already have a ton of Lord of the Rings miniatures?
Have a few.
What's so special about this one?
This one lights up.
Oh, lights up. Wow, okay.
You know, if anything lights up, I want it. I've been trying to light you up for years.
Well, you don't say.
Oh, here's it's a limited edition. 762. They did something very special with this. They did the edition with how many people ordered it. So when you ordered it, you got your number, and that's as many as they made, and they stopped the ordering, and that's it. Ready to open it?
All right, yeah. I mean, we got everything set up, so why don't we open it up? Need some help?
No. You're clumsy.
Yeah, you're right. I am really clumsy. I should probably get away from this thing so I don't break it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Go with it. Nope, that's the back. She's scared of my knife skills. Oh, it's stuck in her gut. Ah!
I think there might be a piece missing.
That's this piece. Each wrapped separately. But the main reason we bought this, so this is not the one that we need. It's for New Zealand. I'll keep those just in case I want to travel with this later.
You think you're gonna travel with this thing? Look at it. It's enormous. You're not gonna fit that in your bag. It's gonna break.
It's smaller than you.
Oh, okay. That's kind of harsh.
Truth hurts sometimes. Ta-da! Oh no.
Wow.
Better.
Ooh. Wow. Immersion.
Because it's so pretty. So this is where the hobbits, they come up the road and they're going to climb the stairs to Shelob's lair right here, and Frodo's here, and he's drawn to the beauty and majesty. No! Mr. Frodo, what are you doing? Don't go that way. Oh, it's so beautiful. No, no, no.
Hey, this is all starting to sound very familiar.
Oh, you don't remember anything. Don't you remember our vacation? We were there.
The dead city. Very nasty place. Full of enemies.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late. We're gonna miss it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I really had to stop and try some genuine Mordor cuisine. Genuine Mordor cuisine. Genuine Mordor cuisine. Genuine Mordor cuisine. You know, those girls were kind of sketchy. My tummy is feeling a little grumpy.
We're in Ilion.
Dillion, I thought this was Mordor.
No.
Oh, I'm really confused.
Oh, God.
Hey guys, is this Mordor or Thillion? Oh, hey, those guys look really hungry. You guys hungry? You guys want my leftover hero?
No! Mr. Frodo! Not that way!
No, don't mess with the locals. Come on.
No, come on, look, they want to party with us. Hey guys,
invited.
I scored some primo pipeweed. It's locally sourced. Oh wait, I think it was actually plundered from the Shire. We can smoke it out of my genius pipe. I got some long bottom leaf, some old Toby, and some Captain Crunch.
No, we don't have time for this.
Oh, come on. Oh, fine. Oh, too late. There it goes.
God damn it.
Wow. That's just breathtakingly evil. That's amazing.
I want to be inside when they did that. And why did it take so long to get here? COVID-19! Plague rat! Oh, I am awed by its majestic beauty. This is why New Zealand has no more COVID-19.
Well, that and a coherent national response to the pandemic. Okay, guys, well, this has been Lord Xerus and, Lady Saystine,
Oh, my precious.
who's, very much enamored with her new precious. Alright, well, join us next time when I make some more cool stuff. And remember our motto, Noli timida ut sujo. Don't be afraid to suck. And I'll see you in Minas Morgul.
So precious.
Okay, I'm going to bed.
Is somebody else here?
You know the exchange rate here really sucks? It's 10 gold flambles for 1 Eye of Sauron. It's terrible, man. That's how they get you.
Oh, doesn't matter. It'll be a good time.
Alright, I know you're gonna spend all of it anyway, so.
Exactly.
You notice that there aren't any women around here?
Oh, God.
It's really weird.
I'm all you need. More than you can handle.
That is true. Yeah, you're very right about that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to read The Tale of the Order of the Blue Maiden. It's a high-flying adventure. Available now on Amazon, iTunes, Barnes & Nobles, and Kobo. Or go to thetale.com. You've never heard a tale like this.